If there is a random touches on the screen of your iPhone without you touching the screen, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first thing that you can do is, if you can restart your iPhone, then simply restart it. Sometimes restarting fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing that you will do is make sure that the screen of your iPhone is clean. If there is any liquid on the screen of your iPhone, then due to that there might be random touches on the screen. So if you have a liquid to clean the screen, just spray on the screen and then clean it. The other thing that you can do is, if you have recently used a screen guard on the iPhone, then remove the screen guard to see if this will fix the issue. Also, if you have used a new case for the iPhone, remove the case. Sometimes if there is a magnetic case, then it can cause issue. The next thing is, if you are using any USB accessories like a charger or a headphone, just remove those USB accessories. And the last thing that you can do is, you can update your iPhone software. So go to settings, go to this general, go to software update, and just check if there is an update available. I have an update 16.3. so what I will do is, I will select this option, download and install the latest version. Sometimes there might be an issue with the iOS software, which can be fixed by updating.